All right, sir, what can you tell me about water?
Water is everywhere. Weather, precipitation, the oceans. We drink it. We're made of it. H2O, hydrogen, two hydrogens and oxygen.
Would you say that we need it to survive?
Absolutely. You dehydrate without water, you'll die without water. We need water to grow crops to sustain food. We need water for our ecosystems.
Okay. And what should we do to protect our water?
Conserve it, protect it from pollution, overuse, climate change. Continue to limit and conserve and place laws in order to keep our water clean and abundant.
Okay, and final question is what can an individual do to make a difference?
Personally, you can conserve water. Don't let your water run when you're not using it. Don't overwater your lawn if you don't need to. Don't pollute the water supply. Do what you can to maintain the water and integrity of the ecosystem.
All right, thank you much.